Hi, welcome everyone to my channel Forex 19. In this video we're gonna see the RSI. So here we have RSI. It is Relative Strength Index, an abbreviation for Relative Strength Index. It's an indicator. We will discuss about it. So here there is a chart with an RSI here, the red indication. What is the RSI? It's an indicator who shows the evolution of values. It creates a ratio between averages at the up and the down averages. So here we have the chart. It starts from the 0 to the 100. We can see here in the right side, the 0 point and up the 100 point. So it will never reach the 100 point or the 0. It will never arrive to the 100 or the 0. We can see two horizontal lines. It corresponds to two zones, the overbuying zone and the overselling zone. So on the RSI, if we go beyond the up line, which is in the 70 line, like we see the 70 point, we enter in another buying zone. And if we go beyond the down line, which is in the 30 point, we enter in another selling zone. We can see the 70 and the 30. If we go over the 70, we are in another buying zone. So something sure will happen. Not sure, but something probably will happen after it get out of down the 70 point, and the same thing with 30. So what we need to know now. The RSI is used by over 90 of the traders. Yes, it's an important indicator which the traders usually use. Yeah. You better combine it with some other indicator to understand more and to avoid the mistakes. Yeah, there's some other good indicator. We'll see in more videos. Here we have a chart. So the RSI compound three zones, like we see here, the red and the green. It's zones. In the middle, between the 30 and 70, we have the normal zone. Between the 30 point and 70, like I said before, we have here the normal zone. Yes, it's called normal zone. When we are in this zone, there is no up or down aggressivity. There is no overbuying or overselling. There is no aggressivity in the transactions. Yeah, in the actions. Or a big move. There's no big move. It's neutral. Yeah. The up zone here is called the overbuying zone. It means there's too much buy-in, which could predict a correction. It will probably get down. Yeah, the correction. So if we have the RSI indicate in here in the overbuying zone, after it getting up over the 70 point, there it goes down. It will go down. So it's correct. So we have in here an indication to sell. And here we have the overselling zone, the down zone, which could predict an up correction. It's the inverse, the opposite of the overbuying zone. It could predict another getting up. Yeah, it will predict getting up of buying. So here you should choose call. You should buy when you are in this zone. When the zone are finishing, you enter, and you should a call position, a buy position. In the normal zone, we have another zone here, the blue and the yellow. From 15 to 70 is an up progressive zone. Up progression zone. It means it's in progression. The buy progress and getting up is getting up from the from the 50 to 70. So it means it progressed to the up. From the 50 to the 30 is a down progression zone. So it progress at the opposite. It getting the selling are going down. So there's more selling. It progress the opposite. When we are in the up, it means we are progressing to the high. Yes, sure. And when we are in the down, it means we are progressing to the down. Here we have the overbuying zone. The asset is overbuying. It could be the end of an uptrend. Yeah, I think you can understand just with these sentences. The asset is overbuying. So it could be the end of an uptrending. So if we have an uptrending and we see this with the RSI is indicating this, it could be an end of an uptrend. So it will get down or have a normal trend, but after getting down, so it probably will get down. And here we have the normal zone. So here the asset is normally progressing without excessive buy or sell. What means that? When the RSI is in the normal zone, in the middle, there is no excessive buy or sell. There is no too much buy or too much sell. It's not neutral. It's simple. It's not getting up or down, or so you shouldn't do something special. Just wait. Here when the RSI is in the normal zone, you just wait to see an opportunity. Not just go in and choose a position. You just wait. And here we have the overselling zone. The asset is overselling. It could be the end of a downtrend, obviously. It's always the opposite of the overbuying zone. The asset is overselling, so it could be an end of a downtrend. So probably a start of an uptrend or a neutral trend, then an uptrend. So how to use it on overbuying? Now we're gonna see how to use the RSI in the overbuying and overselling zone. Here in the circle we are in overselling zone. Like we see, it's green. It shows us that we are in an overselling. It's getting down of the 30 over the 30 point, like we see in the right position. So here we entered in overselling zone. What means that? Like I explained before, it could be the end of a down trend. Like we see, we was here in a downtrend, then we entered in an overselling zone. Here it could be a start of an overbuying zone. Like we see in the same in the chart here with the candles, it's really get down. It's got down and entered in overselling zone. And then it goes up, like I said before, it goes down. So like I explained, it's a good probability. When you are in the overselling zone, it's probably it will get in up. Here we have the second circle. We are over 70 point. So we are in the overbuying zone, obviously. And look what happens here. We are all out of the buying zone. When we are out of the buying zone, it's getting just normal. Then it goes down, like I said. like I said, sorry. So it could, when it's out of the overbuying zone, it could just stay in the normal zone. Then it goes down. So it's good probability here, like we see here. It's a normal zone. Then it goes down, just right here. So here we have the arrow to show us the getting down. Yeah, I think it's the RSI gives us a good probability of a changement of trending. I think I explained good. So